Alright, what's up guys? 40 ounce malt 23 back again. Got two 12-ounce rolling rocks, two glasses. I'm gonna do this double chug for Mr. Mribanez40. Shout out to you, man. To get the camera set up. It's Sunday. It's close to 6 o'clock, I believe. I'm gonna see how fast I can do these. I'm gonna try for 30 seconds on the both of them. Warm up. Here's one. Sit that right there. Crack the other one. Went to Taco Bell earlier. We got the double decker supreme. It was pretty good. Alright, y'all. Time starts as soon as it hits my lips. I'm going for 30 seconds. But no promises. Cheers. Oh. Yeah. Almost didn't get it. But it's down. Shit. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. Peace out.